What's up, dudes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are affairs in a country called the Democratic Republic of the Congo. You already know the drill? Let's dissect the flag. But wait, before the flag represents, the problem got so bad about representing the flag that I have to look it up on Google. Yes, on Google, what the flag represents actually, because it's a big problem recently since we don't know what the red means. So let's theorize it, shall we? So, meaning of a flag means the blue represents the symbolize peace, red represents the blood of a country's matrons, and the yellow was included to represent the wealth of a nation. The star is located in the upper left cannon, symbolizes the country's bright future. And the coat of arms has a tiger, a spear, and it says Justice Prags Travlio with some kind of thing right out there and a rock right here. However, the country is located in Africa, bordering the Republic of Congo, Angola, and Central African Republic, South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia, and plus it's a member of the African Union like all African nations. However, the view of Lebanon stationed a port in 1884 and 1928 photograph of a married Christian couple and forced portraits in Belgium, Congo in 1918 at its peak in a forced portrait about 19,000 Congolese soldiers led by 420 Belgian officers. Yes, that was controlled by Belgium. And the leader of ABAKO, Joseph Kabila, first democratically elected president of Congo, which is known as the Congo, declared independence from it. Belgium rule. And the first democratic elector or prime minister of the Congo was murdered by Belgium, supported in 1961. Yeah, very sudden. And then Montreal Federal meeting Richard Nixon in D.C. in 73, and Montreal and the Dutch Prince Bonchemans in Kinshasa in 1973, and the French in the Second Congo War. There's Congo, and it's surrounded by enemies, which is the Central African Republic, Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia, Angola, Namibia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Chad, Israel, and including Libya. Yeah, very big war, and refugees in Congo and all those stuff. They have to flee a country because it's not that peaceful anyways. And DR Congo's president in Felix with the neighboring in the ROC. The map of Democratic Congo has a few cities, the capital Kinshasa, and all those other cities too, like Jumchumbi, I don't know those words by the way, and it has a tropical rainforest, which is right here, and tropical monsoon, which is right here, and tropical savanna, which is towards the capital, of course, and the temperature dry summer, which is around, I think it might be around here, I think so, yeah, and temperate dry summer right around here and here, and temperate dry summer of cold summer, which is usually in those areas, and temperate dry winter hot summer, which is in this area, temperate no dry season warm summer, temperate no dry season cold summer or sea, yes, right around here, and the polar tundra is held in the mountains, and the entire rainforest and satellite images, yeah, it's just green and basically green everywhere, and Mount Nagaron, which erupted last year, and Sagana National Park, Masura Territory, Lake Caribbean, Northwick Province, and there is about 26 provinces in total. And the vast Congo landscape, and the upcoming gorilla, hippopotamus, and Joseph Congo was president of Democratic Republic Congo from January 2001 and all the way to January of 2019. And President Joseph Congo with President Barack Obama in 2014, and the forces and a lot more. And there's Ryanfield copper, which is 49.8% of the exports, and cobalt, which is 23.4%. Raw copper is 3.05%. And authentic copper ore is 6.67%. And charged plutonium, which is 5.72%. Copper ore is 2.47%. And 0.39 is none. And a Ryanfield is 0.32. Orals is 0.37, and diamonds, which is about 2.93%, and combat oxidized and hydride is 0.93 and 0.23, and rough wood in 0.39, and same with that as well, wood as 0.39, and cocoa beans as 0.5, and all those other exports. And GDP per capita had rose in 1950, but has recently gone down, especially in 2000. And in 2018, this is where we are right now, but it might be going down or not. I don't know what the economy is. And rough diamonds to 1 and 1.5 minimum in the size millimeters in DR Congo. In DR Congo, human developments have been going down and up. It's kind of like that. And collecting firewood and all that stuff, we all know about that one. And training and a lot more than Joshua, Macha, Alabo, and these borders we all know about. But anyways, yeah. We have to talk about the entire country and its culture and a lot more. But let's figure out the country, shall we? However, their capital and largest city is Kinshasa, and their official language is French, and the recognized languages Latte and Lingua, Sangra, and Turbo, and the religion is Christianity, which is 95.8%, and others are 40.1% Protestant, and then 47.3% are Catholic, and 0.4% are other Christians, and 1.8% are traditional faiths, and 1.5% are Islam, and 0.9% are others, and none. And their development is Congolese, and their government is a unitarily semi-presidential republic. And their president, Felix Tshisekedi, since January 24th of 2019. And their prime minister, Jean-Marc Sama since April 26th of 2021. And the legislature is the parliament, and their upper house is Senate, and the lower house is the National Assembly. And their formation was and then colonized in November 17th, 1895 until in 1885, which is on July 1st, which is the Congo Free State, until in 1908, and a Belgium Congo, which is in 1908 through 1960. On June 30th of 1960, it declared independence from Belgium and admitted to the United Nations a month later, in September 20th, 1960, and then named the Democratic Republic of the Congo on August 4th, 1964, and Republic of Zaire in October 27th of 1971, until in 1997, and May 17th, which is the first Congo War, and the current constitution since February 18th of 2006. Their area in total is about 2,345,409 kilometers, or 905,537 square miles, making 11th in this place. That's a very, very large country. And their population is about 108,407,721, making it 14th in this list. And their population density is about 46.3 kilometers, or 119.9 square miles, making it 181st. And their GDP in the top section Wikipedia page, also known as PPP, and which is $121.569 billion, and their per capita is about 1,316, and their GDP non-animal is about $61.800 billion, or their per capita is about 669. And their GNI is 42.1, which is medium, is less. And their HCI is 0.480, which makes it as low in this list as 175th. And their currency is the Congolese francs, or CDF. And their time zone is UTC.1 and WAT and CAT, making it 3 time zones. Not 1, not 2, but 3 time zones, which is just the same as the rest of Nigeria if you live in the Kinshasa area, and the rest of the country, which is the upper side, which is this, as 2 time zones. I lied about that, but sorry about that, my bad. So this is an entire time zone map, alright? And this is the Democratic Republic of Congo. Two time zones. Yes, 2 time zones. Not 3, but 2 time zones. We never had a country that had 2 time zones. By the way, it is a lot more than that. And their driving side is right. And speaking of that, let's theorize the entire country of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Since it is a big country, I don't want this video to be like 30 minutes long, because it's such a big country. By the way, let's theorize it. So this is the Democratic Republic of Congo, and there's Kinshasa right around here next to Brazzaville, which is known as the largest river of all, the Congo River. So if you want to go on another side to another, but the problem is there is no bridge leading to Brazzaville, the capital of Republic of the Congo, and Kinshasa, the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo. So the only way to get there is by a ferry. Yes, by a ferry in the world's largest river, in the deepest river, known as the Congo River. And there's this small little coastline right here called Munda, and it's actually a pretty good settlement, not gonna lie. And there's other towns around it, like Khartoum, which is between that, and there's like thousands of cities, like Aleppo, Central City, Congo, and all those other cities like Manchi, and Kenra, and Lutsabuni, which is by the Zambia border, not gonna lie there. And we talked about the lakes that border between the lakes. There's the Congo River that stretches through all the way towards the Zambia border. Yes, it stretches all the way to the Zambia border, which is towards Lake Nyiro, which is bordering Zambia and the DRC. And there's this Congo River, which is between the Angolan border and this. See this right here? That's land from Angola, which makes this small coastline. But the weird part is, there is 2 peninsulas, not 1 but 2, known as the Panhandle for Salian. Basically, there's Angola, and there's Republic of Congo, and there is also another corridor, which obviously runs by, which is totally in it, by the Zambia border and the DRC border. And we talked about the Lake Nyiro that's between Tanzania and the DRC in the Tanzania show, and Lake Edward in Uganda, and Lake Kivu in Rwanda, and also in Burundi. So, too. Plus, there's a lot more in Democratic Republic of Congo, like Lumbee National Park, and a lot more to that. It is the borders. Yes, that is the borders, basically. So, that's about it for this video. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have an amazing day, a great day, and I'll see you on Thursday.